Jesus said, "The kingdom of God is within you." It's not out there in signs and wonders. It's inside you. Those who only look outside are easily led by false prophets, false light, and false voices. Buddha said, "Be a lantern unto yourselves." He warned about blindly following teachers and traditions without testing them for truth. Look within. Discover what leads to freedom and peace, and follow that light. Most people have heard "go within" so much that it seems like a cliche. So let's be clear about what it means. Every heartbeat, every thought, every movement you make depends on tiny electrical impulses. Your brain, your heart, every cell is alive because of that spark of energy. And this is what you are going within. This very essence, this consciousness that animates you. When Jesus and Buddha told you to go within, they were pointing you toward this living current, the source that flows through you right now. When this energy ceases, life as we know it ceases. This is what Full Circle teaches. Align with this essence. Learn to feel it, trust it, live by it. When you do, every external deceiver loses its grip. No demon, no guru, no false prophet, not even merchants of faith can lead you astray when you stand within your own inner light. If life itself is sustained by that spark of life within you, why would you search for truth anywhere else? Follow for more warrior wisdom and life-changing truth.